Hey guys, so if you have the question if the Pixel 8 have heating issues, now this is like can't really say that it's like short answer or like if it's really is or no. Some people report this that yes, it can get really hot even doing more than browsing the web if you're playing games or camera. But there are like people like this. I find it fascinating as I use my Pixel 8 Pro ton, videos, editing, photography and so on. It has not once gotten hot to the touch. And I live northern North Carolina, it's been super humid the past 2 weeks or 3 days. So, and it's doing fine. It's never getting more than slightly warm. So if it's getting warm or like really hot, there's some kind of like issue. But other than that, it shouldn't get like that.